That's a gorgeous shoe. I'm Micaela Erlanger, and I'm a celebrity stylist. I work with some of the biggest names in Hollywood, everyone from Meryl Streep to Lupita Nyong'o, Constance Wu, Common, Michelle Dockery, and many more. Today I'm going to be styling my good friend and mega fashion publicist, Savannah Engel. I'm going to be helping her find a look for a cocktail party. Savannah told me that she really wanted to look feminine. She's from the South, she's glamorous. My research starts by looking at the designer collections, which are generally shown online or in lookbooks. And whenever I have the chance to go to a designer's showroom, that's my preferred choice. You get to see things in person, you get to touch them, understand the fabrics. Hi!
Hey.
So good to see you! Allie O'Neill is the creative director and designer of Markarian, and she's helping me pick out some things today for Savannah. I'm going to be asking Allie if she'd be willing to show me pieces from her archive. It's a collection of past seasons, old samples, or custom pieces that are reserved for special clients. Oh my gosh, I love this.
I know, it's really good. Now look at the side.
Oh, it's all about the details, so you get a little peek of skin in there. Once I have everything merchandised, I do an edit. This is where I'm going to choose my favorites, and I'm going to weed out the things that probably won't work or the things that didn't look as pictured. This is great. There she is. Great to see you.
Micaela. Micaela's amazing. She's so good at what she does. She's so talented. I trust her entirely.
Ooh, that's fun and festive. Clothes are fit on fit models when they're produced by designers, so alterations are really important. Smoke show, you look amazing.
Ooh, thank you.
Inside of this dress, there's a waist stay, and a waist stay is a little grosgrain belt that just gives you that little nip. OMG, yes. I think we have a winner. It highlights your legs, it defines your waist, it gives you a little coverage and modesty on top of the sleeve.
I love it.
It's really important to take really clear pictures because you want to make sure that things photograph properly and that you also get to see any details where alterations or adjustments might be needed. It's flawless.
It's so cute. I'm obsessed with it. I love it.